Hi, I'm Brent Ramsey, Technical Advisor for Cinema Products at Canon USA, and I'm here introducing two important 4K UHD E&G professional camcorders, the XF405 and the XF400. For years, the XF line of camcorders has met professional videographers' needs, offering full HD video, outstanding reliability, and intuitive operation. The XF405 and XF400 camcorder improve over previously announced XF models in many ways, most notably with the inclusion of 4K UHD recording up to 60p, slow motion capabilities to 120p in Full HD, dual pixel autofocus, a first for E&G style cameras, improved operating ease thanks to a new UI or a better menu layout, a more compact size, and all of this at a relatively affordable price. The XF400's 4K imaging system, including a newly developed 1-inch CMOS sensor and new 15 times 4K optical zoom lens, delivers great video quality, making it a tremendous choice for a range of applications, including small-scale live broadcasts, news reporting, documentaries, corporate video productions, broadcast and communication schools, and much more. So, what's different about the two models? Well, the XF405 includes a 3G SDI terminal, which enables a secure BNC connection of a 1920-1080 422 10-bit signal output for broadcast. Now, with the exception of this 3G SDI terminal, these two models are otherwise identical in all other respects. As far as image quality, for the first time in the XF series, they feature a new 8.29 megapixel 1-inch 4K UHD compatible CMOS image sensor. The new 1-inch sensor makes possible greater control over depth of field, allowing for shallow focus typical of larger size sensors. The revamped sensor structure enables a 3.2 micron pixel pitch. In combination with the new Digic DV6 imaging engine, it further enhances high sensitivity and low noise performance with an improved signal-to-noise ratio over previous XF models. And with the inclusion of YDR gamma, high brightness areas of a scene are smoothly compressed, and YDR offers a wide dynamic range of 800%, giving more leeway in color grading. Now, shooting in YDR virtually eliminates the need for post-color correction processing, letting you use data in most cases just as it's shot right out of the camera. Enhancements in the XF400 series' new lens structure create improved optical performance. Multiple aspheric elements have been included with the lens groups to achieve 4K image quality while correcting various aberrations over the entire zoom range. The newly developed 4K lens supports the large 1-inch sensor, but it's still slim and compact. The ultra-wide-angle 25.5mm and 15 times optical zoom allows for high 4K image quality throughout the entire zoom range. And when shooting in Full HD, approximately 30 times advanced zoom is made possible with virtually no image degradation. Now, for those really distant shots, there's even a 300 times digital zoom option. And a 9-blade iris helps achieve more natural and beautiful bokeh effects. And for the first time, a 4K wide-angle attachment and teleconverter are available as optional accessories. The built-in 3-density ND filter design allows for optimum exposure in various lighting environments, like, say, outdoors in bright sunlight. And borrowing from the Cinema EOS line, the XF400 series adopts the rotating turret-style ND filter array found in our professional Cinema EOS cameras. And just like those cameras, density can be adjusted quickly using the dedicated external buttons. A 5-axis image stabilization system supports 3 modes of optical and electronic image stabilization, significantly improving image steadiness. It also enables smooth vibration control. And as far as internal recording, 4K UHD or 3840 by 2160 up to 60p is recorded to SD cards. And for projects that don't require 4K, Full HD and even 720p recording up to 60p is also possible, delivering exceptional results by taking full advantage of data from the 4K sensor. And there are options for simultaneous backup or relay recording using the dual SD slots. The XF400s also support slow and fast motion recording. It's capable of a maximum of 120 frames per second when recording in Full HD 1080. Now, for focus assist. No one necessarily needs to be reminded of this, but maintaining focus is absolutely critical when shooting in 4K. And for the first time in an E&G camcorder, the XF400s include Canon's dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system. It's tried and true throughout our professional line of cameras and can prove extremely useful when working in 4K and Full HD, especially for single operator shooting. Focusing becomes even more intuitive because it has touch panel support. This includes the capability to choose and track the subject for focusing with just a touch on the large 3.5-inch touch panel LCD. Dual Pixel CMOS AF even offers big benefits to those not wanting to use autofocus. A focus guide mode takes advantage of the Dual Pixel CMOS AF data to superimpose the focus assist guide over your subject. Composing shots using the touch panel LCD or the 0.24-inch EVF can be super accurate as they both boast 1.56 million dots of resolution. And the newly redesigned UI makes camera setup and operation simple using both touch and cross-key operation. The new lateral menu design makes finding items a breeze, and changing settings is quick and easy whether shooting with the LCD monitor or the EVF. The camcorders can be tailored to your specific preferences or needs using the 5 assignable buttons on the camera body and the LCD panel to match the functions you use most often. The XF400s also feature a touch assignable button on the lower part of the touchscreen. It's the first time we've done this. All of the features needed in a professional handheld camera are packed in this compact, lightweight body. It's extremely useful in fields that demand mobility, such as spot news coverage and documentaries. A detachable handle provides expanded audio performance and added flexibility. And included on the handle are 2 built-in XLR audio inputs with phantom power, a code accessory chute, an external microphone holder, manual audio level control, a zoom control, a record start-stop button, an infrared light, and finally a tally lamp. Removing the handle allows for a low-profile recording configuration and makes it more compact for convenient storage when traveling. Now, not only do the XF400s provide you with incredible control over the image, it also provides immense creative freedom when it comes to inputs and outputs. Both models include 2 XLR terminals to record either 2-channel AAC or 4-channel LPCM 16-bit audio, a USB connection, HDMI 2.0 for UHD recording output, a mic terminal, headphone terminal, remote terminal, and an Ethernet terminal for FTP transfer, and built-in Wi-Fi for browser remote operation from your compatible smartphone or tablet or computer. And as I mentioned earlier, the XF405 features a 3G SDI terminal. Now, for simple remote operation, the cameras come with this wireless controller, which could be really useful in situations where the camera was mounted on a jib arm or say the bumper of a car. But both models can take advantage of additional optional accessories like the RCV100 remote controller, enabling image quality adjustments and other important operations to be set from a distance. And the GP-E2 GPS receiver can be used as well. One more thing before I go. A future firmware update will bring the addition of XF AVC support, so keep tuned for those details. As you can see, the XF405 and XF400 are versatile new additions to Canon's professional camcorder lineup. These camcorders offer huge opportunities for small-scale live broadcasts, news reporting, documentaries, and corporate videography. And for those looking to deliver 4K content, these cameras are an excellent choice. Please check the Canon USA website for more product details on the XF405 and the XF400. I'm Brent Ramsey. Thanks for watching.